You're going to learn how music harmony works faster than you ever thought possible. And we're going to ditch the workbooks and exercises because you'll learn the concepts so much easier just looking at the keyboard. If you're skeptical, keep watching and let me know either way in the comments if you found it helpful. It all begins with a key. You can think of a key as the universe that your piece of music sits in, or your improvisation, your composition, whatever. And a key is related to a scale. So when we say that a piece of music is in the key of G major, we mean that the harmonies have been derived from that G major scale and the melody as well. And so all we do is take our scale to understand the chords and stack chords on each note of that scale. So we'd call this the 1 chord, the 2 chord, the 3 chord, making sure we watch for the F sharp in this case, the 4 chord, 5, 6, 7, 1. If we did that with a different key, say F major, which has B flat, that has B flat in it. Again, this is my 1 chord, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And by the way, if you're a little fuzzy on major and minor scales, I'll be sure to include a couple videos in the description below. And so harmony is basically using these chords in different orders. We call those chord progressions. For example, in G major, I'll just make something up. We might have a piece that starts on my 1 chord, goes to the 4 chord, 5 chord, 1. Or we could have something like 1, 6, 4, 5, 1. But most of the music you hear and play is not going to be in these closed position, blocked root position chords, but they're going to be spread all over the place. For example, for a 1, 4, 5, 1 progression in G major, you might try something like this. 1 chord, which is my 4, 5, 1. It's still a 1, 4, 5, 1 progression, but when I played that first little flourish, I was playing all G's, B's, and D's just spread out around the piano, and same for the other chords. And then with any chords here, you can also use inversions. That's when you take the bottom note of the chord and flip it up on the top, and that gives you many more options for voice leading. That's when we keep the notes tighter together like this, rather than having to hop all over the place like that. Now that was a major key example. In Western music, most music is in a major key or a minor key. A minor key sounds like this, and we have a couple changes when it comes to minor keys. We'll build chords in the same manner, but watch this. Say we're in A minor, which would be all white keys if we change nothing, because that's the relative of C major. If we stack those chords, we have the 1 chord, the 2 chord, 3, 4, 5. Notice I had to make a change there. This is where we have to use the raised 7 from harmonic minor for good voice leading to the tonic. So that's my 5 chord, my 6 chord, my 7 chord, and then back to my tonic, of course. And that raised 7 is essential so that we have a proper resolution to the tonic. I'll show you what I mean. Say we're in A minor and I want to do something like a 1 chord, 4, 5, this resolves to here for my tonic. So one of the most effective harmony exercises you can do on the piano to help your understanding when it comes to any exercises or pencil paper things you're working on is take a scale or a key and just play through all the chords. Say for D major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And then again, for those minors, like say E minor, you want to make sure that 5 chord has that raised 7 as well as the 7 chord. And if that's a new concept for you for minor keys, definitely check out this video. Here we go thoroughly into harmonic minor and its uses in these kinds of harmonies, as well as melodic minor, complete with musical examples. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.